بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to start with the explanation of lesson number 6. Inshallah. Previously we have studied the grammatical explanation of this lesson. Let's start. هذا ابن حامد وهذه بنت ياسر. هذا اسم إشارة للقريب للمذكر, demonstrative noun for masculine and for the person which is near. Okay, and next here it is mubtada, and whenever there is jumlatun ismiyatun, the sentence jumla will start with mubtada and it will have khabar after it. Haza mubtada, ibnu. Now see, ibnu, it is khafif, it does not have al and it does not have tanween, hence it is mudhaf for this mudhaf ilayhi, hamidin. Here ibnu is khabar and mudhaf and mudhaf ilayhi. Wa harfu atfin, it is used to connect the two sentences. Hazihi ismul ishara lil qarib lil muannath, demonstrative noun for feminine, for which is near. Hazihi, this. Bintu, now here it is once again mubtada. Bintu, now it is khafif, not having al and not having tanween, hence it is mudhaf for this mudhaf ilayhi. Bintu mudhaf and khabar for this mubtada, and this is mudhafun ilayhi. The meaning of the sentence is, this is the son of Hamid and this is the daughter of Yasir. Next sentence, Ibnu Hamidin jalisun wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. See, as Ibnu has come at the beginning of the sentence, hence Hamzatul Wafal into it will be pronounced. It won't be vomited while pronunciation. In the previous sentence, it was vomited while reading the sentence because Ibnun occurred in the middle of the sentence, not at the beginning. Here it was Hazabnu, but here it will be pronounced Ibnu. It is also jumlatun ismiyatun, hence it will also start with mubtada and it will have khabar after it. Now it is, apart from being mubtada, it is mudhaf for this mudhafun ilayhi. And jalisun, this is khabar for this mubtada. Wa harfu ataf, connector used for connecting the two sentences. Bintu, once again mubtada, it is khafif, not having al and not having tanween, it is mudaf. For this mudaf ilayhi, and this is khabar for this mubtada. The meaning of this sentence is, son of Hamid is sitting and the daughter of Yasir is standing. Now see, as we have seen earlier, and for those who haven't seen the previous videos, let me explain to them that khabar and mubtada agree in gender also. Mubtada is masculine and khabar is also, mubtada is feminine and khabar is also feminine. They agree in gender. It can never happen that mubtada is masculine and khabar is feminine. Hence, this agreement is necessary. Mubtada and khabar must match in their gender. Next sentence, man hazihi, who is this? Here hazihi is mubtada and man is khabar. It can be analyzed in this way. When the answer for this question will come, it will start with hazihi. Hence hazihi will be mubtada, and whatever comes after it, which is giving the information about mubtada, that will be khabar. Hence the word after hazihi will be khabar. The answer for this question, man hazihi, is hazihi ukhtul muhandis, al muhandisi. Here hazihi is ismu ishara lil muannath, ismu ishara lil qarib lil muannath, and this is khabar for this mubtada. Now see, mubtada and khabar are matching in their gender. This is feminine, hence this is also feminine. Here ukhtu is khafif, it is not having al and it is not having tanween, hence it is mubtada, mudaf. Apart from being khabar, it is mudaf for this mudaf ilayhi. The meaning of the sentence is, this is the daughter of the engineer. Next question, ahiya aydan muhandisatun. This is particle of question. Hiya dhamirun munfasilun lil muannath. Aydan, we have seen aydan means also, and muhandisatun. See the gender here, it is feminine gender because ta is wa marbuta, closed ta is at the end of this word, hence it is feminine. Is she also an engineer? La. Now this is particle of question, and there are only two possibilities for such type of questions in which a is the a starting of the question. Hence, the two possibilities are yes and no. Yes will be na'am and no will be la. La hiya tabibatun. No, hiya tabibatun. She is a doctor. Hiya here is mubtada and tabibatun here is khabar. See, both are matching in the gender. Hiya is muannas and tabibatun is also muannas. Next, sayyaratu man hazihi. Whose car is this? See, these both are matching. Here it is mubtada and here it is khabar. Sayyaratu is khabar. How we will come to know about this? Here in its answer. Hazihi mubtada, sayyaratu khabar. See, sayyaratu is khafif here, not accepting al and not accepting tanween, and al mudiri is mudaf ilayhi for this mudaf. Sayyaratu is mudaf here, apart from being khabar.